Now we will see students about backspace key. This key is used to erase anything. Type on the left side of the cursor. It is placed above the enter key. Okay. Backspace key means what? It deletes whatever is written before the cursor. Now see here. Suppose you type hello instead of hello. See the spelling of hello. HELL instead of hello. Move your cursor to end of the word and press the backspace key to remove the extra O. Okay. See here. Here written the wrong spelling is type here. HELL. So what you have to do? You have to press the backspace key to remove the extra O. Extra O you have to remove from this. So what you will press? You will press backspace key to remove the extra O. Now see student, delete key. The del or the delete key is used to erase anything type on the right side of the corner. It deletes whatever is written after the cursor. Okay, what it deletes? It deletes whatever written after the cursor. Now see here. Suppose you type hello instead of hello. See the spelling HELLO instead of hello. HELLO. Move your cursor after the letter E and press the delete key to get the correct word. See here HEEHEALLO. What you have to move? Move your cursor after the letter E. You have to move the cursor after the letter E. The delete key to get the correct word. Okay. Like this as shown in the monitor. जैसा मॉनिटर में आपको दिखाई दे रहा है वैसा आपको क्या करना है, मूव योर कर्सर आफ्टर द लेटर ई. कर्सर को लेटर ई के बाद प्रेस करना है, लेटर ई एंड प्रेस द डिलीट की. उसके बाद में आपको डिलीट की क्या करना है, प्रेस करना है टू गेट द करेक्ट वर्ड. नाउ सी स्टूडेंट शिफ्ट की. देर आर two shift keys on a keyboard. How many shift keys are there? There are two shift keys. This key is used in combination with other keys. This key is used in with the combination of other keys. Like number keys have special symbols on it. On special symbols printed on their upper portion. The shift key is used. The shift key is used to print these symbols. Okay. When you want to type the symbol printed on a number key, press the shift key along with that number key. Now see here, what the shift key means what? It is used to type the symbol printed at the top. For what it is used? It is used to type the symbol printed at the top. Both the keys must be pressed together. Okay. Suppose you have to press dollar symbol. Okay. Dollar symbol you have to press. You have to press dollar symbol. So what you have to, you have to press the shift and that dollar symbol. Okay. Now see here, this is the symbols. Okay. Here are the symbols are shown. Now see here, we will see now. For example, if you want to type dollar, then press the shift key along with the number key. Okay. Along with the number key, you have to press shift key. Okay. Now see here written 4 at the top, dollar sign is there. So you will press shift key along with the number key. The character dollar will appear on the monitor. The character dollar will appear on the monitor. Now see, the shift key can also be used to type in capital letters. Also, the shift key can also be used to type in capital letters. When the caps lock is off, you need to press the shift key along with the alphabet key to get the letter in capital. What you have to do? You need to press the shift key. आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? शिफ्ट की प्रेस करना पड़ेगा along with the alphabet key to get the letters in capital. Now see student about function keys. Now we will see about function keys. These keys are used in special function. These keys are used in special functions. They are marked from F1 to F12. They are marked from F1 to F12. They are placed on the top of the keyboard. सबसे ऊपर कीबोर्ड के कौन से कीज मिलेंगे आपको? फंक्शन कीज. ओके. At the topmost of the keyboard you get the function keys. Now see, we will see about multimedia keyboard. Multimedia keyboard, these days multimedia keyboards are used. अभी इन दिनों में क्या यूज हो रहे हैं? मल्टीमीडिया कीबोर्ड. ये मल्टीमीडिया कीबोर्ड कंटेन सम एडिशनल कीज. इसमें कुछ एडिशनल कीज ऐड किए गए हैं. यूज फॉर वॉल्यूम कंट्रोल करने के लिए, प्लेबैक कंट्रोल, accessing email and putting the CPU to sleep. Now see, this is the multimedia keyboard you are looking. See, some additional keys are there at the topmost. Volume, okay, mute, volume, pre-track, play, pause, next track, stop, media, sleep. Okay, these are the additional keys on the keyboard. And also, and putting the CPU to sleep means sleep puts your computer into a very low power mode. It is put your computer to very low power mode and save its current state. Like this is the multimedia keyboard.